The spring is a time for birds to build nests. They do this to provide a safe space to lay eggs and to protect their hatchlings before it's time to leave their nest. This year, a family of house finches and Carolina wrens made their nests at our home. House finches make nests around buildings like barns or stables, on streetlights, or hanging plants. So right now on our porch, we have a glass star hanging up, and a pair of house finches has made a nest inside. So you can see some thin sticks and stems and a bit of hay hanging out the bottom. They make it about 3 to 7 inches wide, and it makes a cup of about 1 to 3 inches inside. And we're gonna take a peek and see if there are any eggs right now. Usually house finches lay between 2 and 6 eggs at a time. So have a look and see how many you can count and what sort of color and markings the eggs have. And let us know on our Facebook page. Under our deck, the wren babies have already hatched and are crying to be fed. Their parents fly to and from the nest all day, bringing back food and singing to defend their home from other birds and predators. This is what their call sounds like. The male or boy birds are usually the ones who make calls to talk to family members or to give a warning. A call sounds different from a song. Songs are longer and are used to attract female birds or to defend their nests. Some scientists who study birds think wren songs sound like tea kettle, tea kettle, tea kettle. So go outside, open your ears, and listen for a wren friend, or see if your eggs have hatched. Look out for more on house finches and Carolina wrens on our Facebook page.